Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I tried to create the makeup look inspired by the Sabyasachi model that I discovered in the Vogue magazine. I just found this makeup look to be so simple and classy and could not wait to give this makeup look a try. So let's just get started. As always, I would like to start off doing my eyebrows using the L'Oreal Brow Kit and fill in the sparse areas. Once I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to clean the edges using the concealer brush. Next, using my LA Girl orange corrector, I'm going to cover the hyperpigmentation around my lips, underneath my eyes, and the corners of my nose. My Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm going to go over the areas that I just corrected and blend it using my beauty sponge. Next, moving on, I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore foundation. It's the L'Oreal True Match in the shade 8D and 8W. I love this foundation. It has a full coverage look. It's easily blendable and blendable. No, it blends very well and it's buildable as well. I'm going to blend the foundation using my beauty sponge and make sure you do not forget the neck area. Once I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my under eye areas, the chin, the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead. And using the beauty sponge, I'm going to blend all the product. Using the banana powder, I'm going to set my under eyes, the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, and the chin, basically all the areas that I just brightened using the concealer. Once I'm done setting my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my face in the usual spots like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose. And blend it using a beauty sponge. Make sure you blend it so there are no harsh lines and it looks smooth and even. In order to set my contour, I'm going to be using the MAC blush color in the shade Blunt. This is what I use as my contour color and set the usual areas where I just contoured, like the hollows of my cheek, my nose, and my forehead. And using the same color, I'm going to go over my eyelids, like especially in the crease area. I'm not taking too much product, I'm just using the leftover product to add dimension to my eyes. I know that there's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me, you got me, you got me feeling fine. Using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, I'm going to use the shade Buzz, which is a rose gold shimmery eyeshadow, and just use the tip of my finger to apply it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to tightline and waterline my eyes using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This always makes my eyes water, so I have to make sure I look up so I don't ruin the makeup. I'm going back with my the shadow that I used in my crease area to just blend both of my eyeshadows, because I thought the rose gold eyeshadow I used on my lids was a little too intense. So I'm making sure that it looks all seamless and blended. Before I apply the mascara, I'm going to use my eyelash curler to curl my lashes and apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. Since this look is all about the highlight and contour and there was not a lot of shimmery blush, I'm just using a very neutral matte blush from MAC. It's called Pinch Me, and it's very neutral. It's a peach undertone. For the highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo number 2, and I'm using the shade Blonde Gold at the usual high points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I just thought I needed more of a highlight on my chin area, so I'm just going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Warm Honey. Since I'm going to be using a matte lipstick, I want to make sure that my lips are well hydrated. I'm lining my lips using a MAC lip liner in the shade Cherry. Once I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to use my MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. I think this is one of those shades from MAC that suits almost any skin tone. That's it, you guys. I'm done with the makeup look. I thoroughly enjoyed recreating this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.